Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk in diamond black crystal pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seating, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 90230A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.